What is the difference between Pandas Iloc, Iloc, and direct indexing? Imagine you're working with a big spreadsheet of data. You want to pick out specific rows or columns, but how do you do it efficiently? That's where Pandas, a popular data manipulation library in Python, comes into play. Today, we're going to explore 3 main ways to access data in Pandas: Iloc, Iloc, and direct indexing. Knowing when and how to use each can make your data work much smoother, especially in AI development and data science projects. First up is Iloc. Think of Iloc as your label-based selector. If your data has meaningful labels like customer IDs or product names, Iloc lets you pick data by those labels. For example, if your row is labeled C003 and your columns are name and city, you can use Iloc to get the data for those labels. It also allows selecting ranges of rows and columns by labels. Plus, you can filter data using Boolean conditions with Iloc, making it very flexible when working with labeled data. Next is Iloc. This method is all about position. Instead of labels, you specify the exact position of rows and columns using numbers, starting from 0. So, if you want the 3rd row, you use the number 2. If you want the 1st and 4th columns, you use 0 and 3. Iloc is super handy when your data has default integer indices or when you care about the order of data rather than labels. It helps when you want to access data based on its position in the dataset, regardless of what the labels say. Then there's direct indexing. This is the simplest way to select data using square brackets. For example, dfName gets the name column directly. You can also filter rows with conditions like dfage greater than 25. This method is quick and easy for basic tasks, but it can be less clear when your data gets more complex. For more precise control, especially with larger datasets, Iloc and Iloc are usually better choices. In practical terms, if you're preparing data for machine learning models or analyzing results from AI tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E, choosing the right method matters. Use Iloc when your data has meaningful labels, Iloc when working with positions, and direct indexing for simple column selections or filters. Understanding these differences helps you write clearer code and handle data more effectively in your AI and data science projects.